Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep creating your base layer and what then extruded out from it. So in the last video, I did this white rectangle. In my design, I have these white Ridgewood letters that come up out of that piece, and this is probably different than most of you guys. I made all of my walls white as well, and they all rise out of that white back piece. So what I would need to do now is model this Ridgewood, the white Ridgewood, and then all of the other white parts. So I'm going to go back to the part that I created before, and then I'm going to go to Start 2D Sketch, click on that button, click on the face, and now I'm going to start adding in my design here. So I'm going to use the line tool, and you can also use the rectangle to do this, but I'm going to start sketching my walls, which the one starts at, let's see, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it goes up by 2. Now this is going to be really time consuming, and you may get very angry, which I did doing this. I made mistakes. You're really going to need to take your time doing this, because if you mess up, you need to go back and redo it basically. So I'm just doing the line tool. If you somehow get out of the line tool, just go back and hit it again. Or let's say you do want to actually escape out of it, hit the escape key. So I'm going to go back, and this goes up by 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and it goes out by 2, up by 1. You're just using the line tool to trace this out. Now you can see this is going to be time consuming, especially if you have a really complex design. So you've got time to do this. Take a break and walk around in the hall if you really need to. Just ask for permission. 2, 3. So this goes down 1, 2, 3. Over, down, over, down. Close it off. Make sure this shape is closed off. If it's not closed off, if there's an opening in it, it will not let you extrude it. Now hit the escape key, and I'll show you too how to use this rectangle. You can also use the rectangle, and for instance, I have a block that's actually right here. So I did use the rectangle there a little quicker. I also have a rectangle here that sticks out by 2. And so I'm not going to go through and show you all of my parts. You get the idea is that I'm going to trace out the walls. In my case, the walls are white and come out. I also have the lettering that is here. So to add text, click on the text button. Wait, I take that back. The text only works typically if you do it on its own layer. Text is kind of weird. So I'm going to finish this sketch. And make sure you got everything traced out that's like a wall or white other than text. Text you got to do separately. The extrude button, and then you want to make sure this profile's on. Click on all the profiles that you want to extrude. I'm going to orbit, shift, and center scroll wheel to make sure, and make sure this is 0.15. Hit enter. So now I'm on my way to getting there. And if you'd gone through and drawn all the lines, it would look something like this. I also need to